Hello everyone. As you all know that economic survey plays an important role in completing your exam preparation. We have come out with this short video explaining how to use the same for writing descriptive answers. Let's directly start with the first chapter of Economic Survey 2022-23. First chapter talks about the state of Indian economy. This topic in itself can be asked in the exam. Now, let's check the main heads used in the chapter. Challenges of the global economy. Challenges in the Indian economy. Resilience of Indian economy. Inclusive growth. Outlook 2023-24 and challenges ahead. While discussing the above topics, survey comes out with some concepts which are useful for MCQs as well. You need to Google the same to understand those concepts. Like in this chapter, you can see tightening of monetary policy, pent up demand. Let's come again on descriptive part. Within the major heads, you need to find and remember major points for your exam. Let's discuss the topic of India's economic resilience and growth drivers. Higher growth estimate than for almost all major economies. Growth rate between 6.5% and 7%. Near universal coverage of vaccination. Release of pent-up demand. Higher capital budget both for center and state. Positive return of stock market. Strong balance sheet of corporates, and so on. Though there are only few things in this year's survey which can be asked in prelims, you need to remember the same. Let's look at Outlook 2023-24. The highlighted point has to be remembered. Budgeted capital expenditure rose 2.7 times in the last 7 years from financial year 16 to 23. Similarly, Chapter 2 is also very important. First part of the survey is about reforms of 1991. It says about why was liberalization required, what steps were taken, and what were the outcomes of the reform. In the same manner, many other topics related to the syllabus are covered in the economic survey. Use the facts in writing descriptive answers and mention that you have taken the given fact from economic survey. It will make your answer more credible. For any clarifications, doubts, or queries, you can reach us on the highlighted contact details. You can join us on Telegram on the given link. Contact us at email admin@gyankosh.co.in. WhatsApp us on this given number. All the best for your exams.